Dear class 80 students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today, I'm going to take a class on English first paper, so get ready with your EFT. Dear students, I think you have understood the topic that we are going to learn. Our today's topic is Ever Beautiful Shamima, Unit 5, Lesson 3. Before going to the text, just enjoy a short video on the keywords of our today's passage. So, dear learners, what are the keywords? The keywords are outward. The synonym of the word outward is outside and antonym inward. Then vow. The synonym of the word vow is promise and antonym ignore. Then disabled. The synonym of the word disabled is incapable and antonym capable. Then unstitched. Unstitched, the antonym of the word unstitched is stitched. Then dignity. And the synonym of the word dignity is respect and antonym dishonor. Then regret. The synonym of the word regret is repentance and antonym is vice. Then ill-fated. And the synonym of the word ill-fated is unlucky and antonym lucky. Then product. The synonym of the word product is creation and antonym reduction. And finally, grudge. The synonym of the word grudge is hatred and antonym contentment. So, dear learners, these are the keywords. While we'll go through the passage, we'll get all the words, and the words will be helpful to understand the passage. Anyway, while I am going through the passage, you should try to find out the answer of these two questions. And the questions are: Who did Shamya work with? And then another question: What is Shamia's present dream? So these are the two questions. Uh, be careful because you have to find out answer of these two. Dear learners, are you ready with your EFT? Unit 5, Lesson 3, Section B. I am reading the passage. Shamima's misery started the day she was married. Her husband was a greedy person and he used to abuse her verbally and physically. Within a few months into her marriage, she had to leave her husband Kamaluddin Zuarder. Now Shamima vows to work with women who are ill-fated like her. She has 43 female members in her organization working for her. She herself trains the members and then provides them with work. She designs fabrics, makes block print, brush paint, and hand embroidered sarees. She also makes three-piece dresses for women and photos for men. She sells these products in her shop and supplies them outside. Shamima has a dream now, a dream to do something for the helpless people. She wants them to feel useful. They can live with self-respect and dignity. With this in view, she goes out looking for such people. Shamima finished her story with a smile. Shamima has no complaints, no regrets, no grudges. Her husband could destroy her outer beauty, but not the beauty of her mind. All she wants to do is to bring a smile on the faces of those women who are unfortunate. Shamima wants to become a famous designer. So, dear learners, what have you learned after going through the passage. After going through the passage, we can learn that Shamima was not happy in her in-laws' house. Her husband, Kamaluddin Jordar, was a greedy person, and Shamima was a victim. She left her husband and it starts an organization. We can name her organization an organization of ill-fated women. What does she do there? She trains other women, I mean ill-fated women. Now her organization consists of 43 female members. She trains them and provides them with work. Shamima designs fabrics, makes blueprint, brush paint, and hand embroidered sarees. She also makes three-piece dresses for women and photos for men. Actually, now she's a solvent woman. Her smile proves it. Her husband could destroy Shaima outwardly, but he could not destroy her inward beauty. And his students, look in section C, we find a question, and the question is, how do you understand why her husband could destroy her outward beauty but not the beauty of her mind? Actually, outward beauty is skin deep. And you know, now Shaima is a divorcee. She cannot enjoy the charm of an unmarried girl. I mean, her husband could destroy her outward beauty, but he could not destroy her inward beauty. Actually, outward beauty is temporary, and inward beauty is permanent. Uh, our inward beauty is related to skill, it is related to potentiality, it is related to competence. And that's why Shaima is now a successful woman. She is a solvent woman. She lives happily. And she has also a dream, and her dream is to be a designer. Well, dear students, in section D, you find four questions, and the questions are true or false. The first one is Shaima's husband destroyed her. Is it true? Definitely not. Shaima's husband could not destroy her. He could destroy her outward beauty, but not inward beauty. The next one, uh, Shaima promised to stand beside the helpless women. It is true. Shaima promised to stand beside the helpless women. The third one, she has some trainees to train the women of her organization. The question is false because Shamima herself trains other women in her of her organization. And the last one, Shamima wants to become wealthy person to help others. Definitely not. The question is also false. And the correct answer, Time wants to become a famous designer. So, dear learners, that's all for today. See you again in the next class. Till then, be safe.